Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Let's solve some two-step inequalities and graph them. Here we're going to solve two-step equations. Our goal is to isolate the variable, whether that's an x or an m. We want to make sure we get it alone. A solution for an inequality is a value that when we plug it in for the variable, it makes the inequality true. And we can always check our final answer by plugging it back in to see if the inequality is true. We solve two-step inequalities the same way that we solve a two-step equation. We undo addition and subtraction, then we undo multiplication and division. Remember, we must always keep a balanced inequality. That means what we do to the left, we do to the right. And as a reminder to shading, when you have x on the big side, we shade to bigger numbers. That means we go to the right. Or if x is on the smaller side of the inequality, we would shade to smaller numbers. That would be the left side of the inequality. So here is an inequality. We have two things going on. We have multiplication and we have subtraction. So we're going to undo the subtraction first. We use our inverse operation, which means we're going to add to both sides. Negative 12 plus 12 cancel out to a 0 pair. Then we still have multiplication. We'll use the inverse operation of division. 4 divided by 4 cancels out to 1. And we get x is bigger than or equal to 10. So 10 goes in the middle. The equal to makes it a filled-in circle. This is saying that x is bigger than our number. Bigger numbers always get shaded to the right. Let's look at another example. Here we have multiplication and we also have an addition sign. So we're going to start by undoing the 11. The 11 is positive, so the inverse of that would be to take it away. So we have negative 16 is less than 4 times j. The inverse of multiplication is division. So we divide both sides, and we get negative 4 is less than j. So we want to look at the variable j. J is on the bigger side of the inequality. So in the middle of our graph, we will put our negative 4. We have an open circle since we don't have the bar. And j is bigger than negative 4, and bigger numbers are always to the right. Hope that helps with two-step inequalities. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.